And with Halo, please don't turn out like me.
Wala nang masasaya pa ngayon sa isang ganap na ama ng si Sid Docero. Nitong Lunes ng gabi, isinilang na ng kanyang nobyang si Bea Lau ang kanilang baby girl sa pamamagitan ng cesarean section. The baby weighed 7.2 pounds.
Nabutan ko hanggang sa paghila. Nung lumabas na iyak ako lang iyak. Nakakatawa kasi doon ako sa loob, di ba may mask yun? Kalahati nun basa. Iba talaga. But double-edged sword siya. Masaya siya pero gano'n sa masaya, yun din yung kailangan bigay na attention sa kanya. Yun din yung responsibility mo eh.
Halo Eve Eigenman ang napili nilang pangalan para sa baby.
Si Mami kasi sabi niya sa akin, bata pa siya mga high school, kahit ano daw, boy or girl, Halo. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng second name kasi sa family namin puro may second name eh. So naghanap ako. So I named her after my mom and my sister. Kasi my mom's Eva, my sister's Maxine Eve. And then I chose Halo Eve.
With Halo Eve's birth came a significant realization for Sid.
Alam mo yung pagtingin ko kasi bigla akong nag-self-check. Una mo iisipin, sana hindi siya maging ganun or sana hindi siya ganunin or basta parang nagsisi ako sa lahat. Buka ka sobra. As in first song talaga, Amazing Grace.
Ngayong meron na silang anak ni Bea, are they planning to get married?
Every time I'm in a relationship, of course I want to marry the person. And then Halo came, and we both were talking about it. We decided na let's not use the pregnancy or the child as a reason to get together. Let's make sure that everything's fine. So right now, we're more focused on the kid.
Papayagan ba ni Sid na bumalik sa bandang General Luna si Bea?
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung ano yung plan niya with General Luna per se. Pero for sure, babalik talaga siya. Kasi yun talagang gusto niya. Kumbaga, kung ako bilang artista, hindi ko iiwanan yun. Ganon din siya bilang musikera.
Anong mensahe ang nais niyang iparating sa kanyang nobya?
I'm amazed. I am proud. And wow, grabe, this newfound respect I have for all women because of what you showed me, and the toughness you showed me has changed the way I see things and to look at people. You had the choice to make it easier for you during labor, but you didn't, and you took it like a man. I'm proud. I am so proud of you. And with Halo, please don't turn out like me. I'm looking forward to getting to know more of you every day. Yeah.